Hello guys, welcome to another tune video with Mr. Drift. Today we got the M5 F90. Let's go into the tune right away. A lot of people asked me for it yesterday. And let's go, chat. Guys, remember, you to this point of the video of the tune tutorial, guys, remember, accurate man angle, set it to your preference if you're in controller. If you in wheel, leave it the same way. Also, if you're on controller for this tune, guys, your braking token, also put it as your preference, okay? This should be everything for the tune, guys. For this part of the video, we're just gonna go and we're gonna go ahead with a little test drive, see how smooth this car is and how good it is. I can see it's good with a 3.6. Well, let's keep going with the body kick. We're gonna go show you the body kick real quick and the rims, chat. We go to garage, we go to body kick, we got stock, and yeah, we just got stock, chat. Not a lot of modification. My rims are a custom wheel. And this is number 2 right here from the work wheel pack, number 2, chat. And yeah, that should be it for the tune, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you drop a subscription, make sure you like the video. See ya in the next one. Wow.